Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by wiring Aweber into your funnel. Create the account, verify email, and enable two-factor authentication for safety. Then, choose a focused niche and pick 3 affiliate offers that match your audience. This gives direction. Once done, build a simple landing page and embed Aweber's sign-up form tied to a dedicated list. Make sure the form fields match the tracking data you need. This gets you collecting qualified leads immediately instead of guessing later. Now you focus on automation. Open Aweber campaigns and build a welcome sequence, 3 emails across 7 days that lead with value, then introduce the affiliate solution. Tag subscribers by intent and which offer they clicked. This lets you segment and send tailored follow-ups. Make sure every affiliate link includes your tracking parameters and, where policy permits, a cloaked URL to improve click-throughs. Once tags are applied, you can branch automations to send product-specific. Finish by optimizing and monitoring. Run a /B tests on subject lines, CTA and send times, and track conversion changes over a 2-week window. Keep deliverability healthy. Clean out hard bounces, prune inactive subscribers, and aim for open rates above 20%. If a link or campaign breaks, first check your redirect and tracking settings, then resend to a small test segment across multiple inbox providers. This single troubleshooting step often resolves missed clicks and restores revenue fast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.